Trial balance report. A trial balance is a statement that lists all the accounts in the general ledger and their respective debit or credit balances. It is used to verify the accuracy of the accounting records by ensuring that the total of all debits equal to total of all credits. The trial balance includes all accounts, including assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. Accounts with debit balances are listed in one column, and accounts with credit balances are listed in another column. The two columns are then total, and the total should be equal if the accounts are balanced. The purpose of preparing a trial balance is to detect any errors that may have been made in the accounting records. If the debits and credit do not balance, it indicates that there is an error that needs to be corrected. The trial balance can also be used to prepare financial statements such as the income statement and balance sheet, which provide information on the financial performance and position of a business. You can access this report from Accountants area, Reports, Management Reports, Trial Balance. You can select date range. You can view closing balance or movements for this period. You can compare with last year. You can display reporting group detail or reporting group summary report. Click View Report. From this report, you can view the date range, accounts, account category, source, debit amount and credit amount. Accounts are sorted by account category. You can compare with last year. System will display previous year debit and previous year credits, current year debits and current year credits. If you want, you can view reporting group detail. Now here we can see detailed report. Under admin expenses, there are accounting fees, telephone and internet, and lease expenses. Under banks, there are 3 banks. If we uncheck this display reporting group detail option and refresh, now one line for admin expenses and one line for banks. Like that, if you want, you can view reporting group detail or reporting group summary. By clicking this accounts, we can view the account transaction report. For that period, transactions we can view the opening balance, transactions, closing balance and movement for the period. we can export this report to PDF, Excel, or CSV file. We can print or email this report.